In the heart of the tropics, from the dry savannas of Africa to the fertile plains of South and Southeast Asia, rises a giant of life and survival. The Palmyra palm, Borassus, standing tall at over 25 meters, with its crown of fan-shaped leaves. This tree has long been celebrated as a giver of food, medicine, shelter, and hope. Locals call it the tree of life. Science is now uncovering why. Nutritional wealth. The Palmyra palm bears fruits that glow, with golden pulp and crystal-like seeds known as ice. Apples. Each fruit is rich in carbohydrates, vitamin C, calcium, and phosphorus, a true source of energy in hot, dry climates. Young shoots and seedlings hold minerals like magnesium, potassium, and iron. Even the roots contain proteins and fibers that sustain both people and livestock. For centuries, communities have tapped its sweet sap, transforming it into refreshing drinks, jaggery, or palm sugar, vital in diets and village economies. Nature's pharmacy. But the Palmyra palm is more than food. It is medicine. Laboratory studies confirm what traditional healers have known. Extracts from its roots, leaves, and flowers contain powerful antioxidants that protect cells, anti-inflammatory compounds that soothe pain, and natural agents that show promise against diabetes and infections. The roots and seed coats fight harmful bacteria. The leaves aid wound healing, and even the ash of its flower stalk is used in treating digestive troubles. Researchers have identified steroidal glycosides, flavonoids, and phenolics, compounds now being studied for future pharmaceuticals. Beyond health, culture, and economy, the Palmyra's gifts stretch beyond nutrition and healing. Its towering trunk provides durable timber. Its leaves, woven into mats, baskets, and roofing, shelter homes. In ancient times, dried leaves served as writing material, preserving scripts and sacred texts for generations. Ecological champion. Resilient and long-lived, the Palmyra palm thrives where other crops fail. It tolerates drought, salty coastal winds, and poor soils, anchoring ecosystems while offering shade and sustenance. In landscapes facing climate stress, this hardy palm is more than a survivor. It is a stabilizer, a guardian of biodiversity, and a promise of resilience. Yet, challenges remain. Scientific studies are still young. Most discoveries are from laboratory and animal models. Human clinical trials are rare. Preservation and storage techniques lag behind, with many fruits lost to spoilage each season. But researchers and farmers alike see the potential. A single tree that bridges tradition and science, nutrition and medicine, culture and economy. The Palmyra palm, rooted in the past, vital in the present, and promising for the future. A living testament that in nature's design, survival and generosity grow side by side. It is more than a palm. It is a lifeline. It is the tree of life.